Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my classic fitness planner, and that was last week. So for May 7th through May 13th, I used the new sticker book from the Plan to Happy Life box, and I really love how it turned out. And I really like the addition of, the habit trackers for my goals. I haven't done as well as I'd like, but I still like having them there, and I will continue to use them. So for this week, it will be May 14th through to Thursday, May 20th. I'll be using the Rock This sticker book like I have for the rest of my planners this week. Let's get started. Okay, I almost started talking and planning without actually turning the camera on. So let's make sure that that's the number one thing I do. Okay, so what I want to do is try and put a big box down the side here. Now the thing with these stickers is that they are not made for a classic planner. These are made for the teacher planner, and the teacher planner's layout is different, definitely different to a classic fitness planner. So I want to see, yes, I'm going to put down this big yellow sticker down the side, and I'm realizing that it is going to cover that, but that's okay. And what I'll do is actually white it out so that it doesn't show through. And I'm going to just place it like so. And then I'll be able to put down some of these as well. I like this one. The world needs what you've got. And then let's go find those leaves, because my plan is to use the rest of these leaves in this spread. Now, I'm not great at putting things down straight. You guys know this already. Ooh, yay. Yay, yay, yay. Okay, so let's see what I can put down in this corner. Oh, I like the make things happen, but I also like this. So let's have a look. I'm trying to figure out what would be the best one. Okay, so I feel like there's more that I'm missing, like in terms of decor. I mean, there's those. No. Ooh. There really isn't much. Okay. So I'm going to actually just put the plan right across here, kind of create my own little sidebar. And that's okay. Actually, that's perfect. And then what I want to do is I'm going to take some of these boxes, actually. Specifically this one, because this is like the main decorative one. I've used up any other decorative ones, I think. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to open up to this as well. And I'm going to use it just across like this. Ah. Use it like so. Make sure that it is straight. And then I'm going to place one of these assignment boxes on there. Let's use a red one, but I'm not using it for an assignment. I'm going to cut off where it says assignment. You guys have seen me do this before. And unfortunately that G is going to stick out a little bit, but it shouldn't be too bad. And that is going to go here, and that's where I'm going to keep track of my weight. But then the other thing I'm going to add is I need to still be able to journal in that space, right? So, oh, I love those. I think the way it's set up is going to be a bit too small. So I have an idea. I feel like, yes, I feel like combining these somehow. I'm going to cut this one a little bit shorter. Move the assignment there. Cut this one a little bit shorter. But also I'm going to make it a little bit narrower. Okay. So that, oh my gosh, I love the effect of that. So that I still have plenty of room to write here, but I've created a little cluster there. I really like that. I think that's cute. Now, what I'm going to do is grab the, come on, there we go. I will definitely be using these around the spread. I don't need these anymore. Place that here. Then I think the great thing with these leaves is that I feel like I can do this. And maybe place one. If I place it like, I'm gonna place it on this Sunday. Now I realize I'm probably going to have to find a way to be able to still write my dinners on Sunday. And then I'm going to put the other half on this side. Then this one I'm going to put up here. With a box that I can write in. Oops. There's all of these like things to do, but that's not what I want to use it for. So I'm just going to take the box and place it like so. And I'm going to white out where it says things to do, as well as these. Which is fine because I will use the whole space for journaling. Then, there's these silver ones as well, which I think are gorgeous. Okay, I need to organize myself here. Hold on. There we go. Okay, so then one last green leaf. I feel like, where is the best place to put this? I feel like it's going to be a combination of, I'm going to do this. I'm going to put one here. And then the other one over here. Yes, it might take over some of that space, but I can make that up with boxes. Then I also really like the silver boxes, or the silver leaves. So I wonder if there's a way to I'm trying to see if I can kind of create, it's not going to be exact because the leaves weren't exact, but oh, I like it. And then this one is going to take up way too much room. So let's put this here. Yeah. And then I like this make things happen. Let me place it down here so I at least have room to write up there. Make things Sorry guys. That happened. Eee. Thought it was straight. Okay, I like that. Now I'm going to place a couple of these around the spread, just where I feel like here seems like a good place. Because honestly, I'm trying to make it work that with something that doesn't have a lot of decor. There. And there. Then I think this is where I need to go into my boxes and to kind of write out, like for example, I will need space here. I just realized I need one for that, so I'm going to pull a yellow for that. And then it'll just go like this. And then this one can go like this. Bunch, and yes, I am covering up a bit of the leaf, but it will all work. And then I'm going to put one I may not need one there. I may not need one there. If anything, I will need one there. Yeah, so let's cut one more. Making sure you can still see. Hold on, how do I want to put the box down like this? Okay. All right. Okay. So, actually really like that sticker. I'm going to go ahead then and start filling this out. I know it seems really bare, and I apologize for that, but my fitness spreads always look bare before I start writing in them. So I'm going to show you guys how I fill in the first column, how I'm going to do my habit trackers. I didn't leave myself enough room, actually. I'll make it work. And then I'll show you once it's all filled out. Okay, so this top portion up here is where I journal, and I journal about how my workout felt, how my eating went, and things like that. And then in this portion here, I actually keep track of my sleep score and my water intake. And with my water intake, I try to get 2 liters of water every day, and each of these circles represents 200 mils. And then in this area, I keep track of my food. So in this portion is my breakfast. I'm into my baked protein oats recently. And then my lunch, just making sure and my lunch currently has been a ham and eggs sandwich. Lots of protein and so delicious. And then Friday night, I am having what's left of my chili lime shrimp with rice, and it's so good. And then throughout the day, whatever snacks I have, I will add them in as I go. And then down here, I keep track of my exercises that I will be doing. So Friday, it will be lift for week 5, day 4, which is legs. And then I also keep track of the number of steps I do, as well as the calories burned. And then in this section, I'm trying to keep track of 5 different things that I'm tracking. My night routine. So night routine is basically 10 minutes on skincare, brushing my teeth, 10 minutes of journaling, and 10 minutes reading a book. And I'm gonna, how do I do this? So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Oh, that worked out perfectly. And then this one is, what I'm going to do is 2 liters of water. So I'll do the same, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So each of these circles will represent a day. And then 12,000 steps per day. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Some people would go crazy not having their circles all aligned, but you know, I don't really mind. You guys have seen me do all of my circles with the water, so it's not a crazy big deal to me. So, and then burn 2,000 calories per day, and I get that information from my Fitbit. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And then I'm trying to get 125 grams of protein every day. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I've really created my own habit trackers. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill in the rest and then show you once it's all done. And there is the overall finished spread. So as you can see in this row, I have put in my sleep and my water, and that's where I'm going to track how much water I've drank and my sleep score from my Fitbit. And then I've pre-tracked my breakfast, lunches, and dinners, and then as the week goes on, I will add snacks or take anything out that didn't go according to plan. And then down here is my plan for my workout. So starting on Sunday, I will be starting week 6 of Lift 4 and week 6 of 10 rounds, and that's actually the last week of 10 rounds. So Lift 4 is an 8-week program and 10 rounds is a 6-week program. So for weeks 7 and 8 of Lift 4, I will be doing weeks 5 and 6 again of 10 rounds. You didn't necessarily need to know that, but I guess I'd tell you. I thought I'd tell you. And then again, up here is where I will journal. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I say the same thing all the time and sometimes I forget what I'm saying. All right, thanks for watching guys and have a great day.